Probably know me, and I'm probably going to film a video.
Hi
guys. Here she is. She's gonna go check out her channel. She is bomb. I'm gonna make her YouTube channel because she doesn't even know how to make one.
Yes,
Oh my God.
I do, brother.
No, she doesn't. This is literally her what she's doing. Zoom to not support. Oh, this is so funny. She doesn't even know it. Bruh. I'm just at my house trying to do something, but spunk. Oh, you guys want to see me playing a game on my phone? No. I'm gonna be playing some Grand Theft Auto. Just kidding. I probably could, but no. So, I'll play here on my YouTube channel.
I don't want to be on it.
Fixing it and making
Well,
sure that
why?
every single American has success.
Giving
power back.
Why?
That's better or worse?
I don't want to get out of the house.
Yeah. Do you know my sideline number? No. Jackie. She left too.
Okay, guys, that is all for today. See you later.